Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimantu mabuyu bampolunyu hlase bodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi. And King Ginger, cream de la cream futhi kwenza show uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with my son. Welcome Dlamini. Oh, Chris Baba Chris. Oh, she popo she. Oh, Shendele Bobo. Oh, shala shala la 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 baboshi. Oh, shala la la baboshi. Oh, 3 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 1. 3 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 3-0. Kaizer Chiefs, Shendere Bobo, win is equal to Orlando ezimnyama amstel utshwala phansi ngenkani nil. Dapi. Give me Dappy, take me to Dappy, win Kaizer, lose Paga, lose, Chiefs, Winnie, ningangikwateli bafethu. Ngithe nje nina abantu bamabhakabhaka bafethu asinihloniphe. Mina no welcome. Sigqoke ublack and white. Ukusho ukuthi sizilele lesibhaqo enizosithelwa iKaizer Chiefs. Amathambo azobuyela emzimbeni. Niye ukulokhu nidlala ngama-skeleton. Kufanele ngababu kuyovuka abaphilayo. Ishaya nje iChiefs nje. Ngila ngoSerino. Ngila nango Nilepo, ngilana ubani lo mfana omnyama westrike uSiliva. Ngilana ngoShabalala. Vilakazi. Asimfake esquadini lo mfana kuloko. uShalethi. Ubani lo munye singamkhoda lo ngakangeni. Yena lo. Singakhohlwa umphilisi wabaphilisi, the almighty Solomon. Take me to the couples. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi. And King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Ngizoqeda ubufebe plus kuza neDappy. Yeah. Hayi woza mntana. Hayi dlula brazo. Akunankinga mfowethu. Dlula mfowethu, dlula.
Wona photo.
Yeah. Kuzoba nzima kakhulu mfowethu kule nyanga. Feb Valentine. Bafana bePirates abatholanga lutho. Hayi othi ngasakhuluma ayithi ngiyeke. Yeah, ngoba mina ngingalanda ngisho umthombeni. Uyazi iChiefs ingasayini umthombeni. Same time. Khumi phambana. Dog, mntanami. Khamba kanjani bhuti wami? Sure man. So mina mfethu I go by the name of King Ginger, you know. I'm a young YouTuber. Just started this thing, you know. I'm trying to get my luck so that I can be like Speed, bruh. Yambole mchita watu Speed from the Prekfall boy. Yeah, but mina they call me King Ginger Speed. Yeah.
King Speed.
Yes, King Ginger Speed.
Oh,
so
King Ginger Speed.
Yes, my brother, what's your name? Junior. Yeah, Junior. You know, Junior, when I started doing this show, I saw myself overseas same time, bro. I'm telling you. So, Junior, where you from, my brother? Where you from? Which castle you represent?
I'm from Leondale, bro.
Leondale?
Yes, bro.
East Rand?
East Rand.
Big up to Leondale, bafethu. Ngimthanda njengoba ningithanda. Ikasi le Squatter Camp. Ikasi mangithe Squatter Camp ngibala wonke umuntu slick comes from there. Am I right? Yeah, all the gods amajita ashaya music. Yabo nje ukube bekuyikasi elikhulu ngempela bekuzoba imatatiyela. Yeah, ngoba kuphuma eMthimbe le manje. Sister, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Wena?
Ngisharp mfethu. Wena igama ubani?
Oh, Kikinele.
Kinelwe.
Yeah.
So Kinelwe wena li buti Junior, are you guys dating?
Yeah, we are dating.
So how long have you been dating?
Since 2024, December day.
Ukrele ka December.
Yeah.
But so sister, what is it that you love about Junior?
Junior. Okay, Junior ke motho o leng gore o sharp ne, like since re jola like nantsa le sharp ko nna.
Sure.
And like he's such a caring guy.
Awuntshaka bari wena u caring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't think like re tlo ever re cheatane.
Yeah. Wa morata ne, u loyal mo go yena.
Loyal.
I'm happy to hear that. So wena sister, as we are talking about being loyal, so wena sister never zange vele, you've never cheated on Mr. Junior.
No, I haven't.
Ne?
And I'm not dreaming of it.
No, don't dream of it. It's not right.
It's not right. Sure.
Yeah, it's not right.
It's not right.
My brother, I want to know from you, in a scale of 100, you carry umutsepa ha kai my sister.
Nah, I'm over 10.
100. In a scale of 100.
100. Oh, I'm over 100.
100.
Yeah.
In a scale of 100, when I utsepa ha kai?
99.
When?
Yeah.
Okay. No, but that 99 sharp. Ukhona omunye umuntu odate naye besides my sister? Akekho ne?
Yeah.
Okay. So my brother, I want to know from you, is there anything that you want to apologize about ko my sister maybe le etsagala le date mara builukisa sa tsebi and it's everything is good about it. Is there anything you wish to say you apologize about?
Nah, baby. Sharp.
Shabu. Okay, got a tip.
Hey, Toko usumbukele eduze kanje. Sebengibambisa ikhandlela laba bhuti welcome. Yes, love. Sure, mfethu. No, sister, in a scale of 100 ukari umutsepa ha kai my brother?
100% and 100. 100. Everything is
100. Wena utsepa ha kai?
100.
Uteng motho o datang le yena besides my brother?
No.
Is there anything you want to apologize about? Uyikhuphele maitshwarelo nje. No. This is your chance. Yabo, uyikhuphele maitshwarelo nje ndani.
Nah, I didn't do something wrong, so baby, no, I cannot.
Sure, baby.
Yeah, I sure, baby.
Awuthiyami.
Yo, buddy.
Ngifuna ukuthi uclean isifuba manje yabo. Mangase kuthiwa mhlawumbe my sister find out ukuthi uyacheata ungenza njani?
Nah, ngiyamshiya.
Thank you, Jamshana.
Ngiyamshiya, baby.
Inshallah. Yeah. Sister, if you can find out that your man is cheating, what will you do?
Yo, I didn't ngamshiya shem.
Ne?
Ngamshiya.
Hi.
Yo, I ngamshiya, hey. Ngamshiya.
Kamu to ho ga kumobulele go morata mfethu. Thanks for your time, guys.
Yeah, love you too.
Awukwazi ukumkuka dog. Abantu umyane nomkukeni ngiyacheka. But guys, before I let you go, there's something that we do. It's called loyalty test. A loyalty test is whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. When a sister uga out ya go phone for 60 seconds go I check on WhatsApp.
Khona laba sayakhona bit.
Yeah.
No, baby, like
No,
I get exchange.
shapa kana kona.
No, like exchange. I get like
Yeah, go on.
exchange.
Phones.
Yeah, exchange, baby. No.
Baby, sure.
No, make it can wait.
Indaba manje bese.
Ngisho
Yeah, manje wajika manje.
manje uzotshintsha amafoni.
No, baby, we just like
baby, shapa kana phone. And
no, we just
phone yakhe.
Niyayenza ngithi. Niyayenza laidira ne?
yeah, we can do it like that.
Oh, tsamakene.
No, baby, I can't go to Hopon.
Awunekehle pili mfethu. Calm down.
No,
Sister,
calm
so wena
down.
usazoqhubeka ujole naye njengoba umbona ukuthi uyanqaba kanje. How do you feel ubona? Let's sister. Thank. Let's my brother. Later. Hey.
Just. Oh.
Oh. Sister, come this side.
Huh.
Yeah, we're facing this side, please. We're facing this side. We're facing this side. Me will come. Yeah. So qala ngefoni yakhe. Or so qala ngefoni ka my sister.
Hayi sisicela ngeke futhi.
Yeah.
No, we should start with yours.
Hayi akere mina ke cheat baby so it's fine. Ngicela ka yawo.
Okay, yakho le?
Yeah, it does.
Ivula.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was ibambe. Indaba mfethu wenza kanje. Uyenzelani lento yenzayo?
Ama ngisunderstand uthi usibuza umbuzo ukuthi.
No, why ulapho? Why usujika?
Amafoni angena.
Hayi ungayichuni la ile mfethu. Now what's up? Okay, mase ngithi type uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvela igama lezinye ifebe la ungitshele lezinye izinja la ungitshele because izizobe zithathele umuntu wakho.
Type lapho.
Yeah, ngizokutshela. All right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. We're about to tap the trend. Tap lapho uthi I love you. Sister, wena bakushele wena njengoba ulengwanyana uMotswana.
Better.
Abakusheli.
They do, mara.
Akuvela
I'm only.
Vela wena phela.
Vela mina.
Delete lapho. Type uthi I miss you. Fake iheart red. No sample.
Hey, like they do, but not like I'm only loyal to one person. So Gerata, this guy, they just exactly like jola.
Na yimi umngana ke ngiyamazi palese.
Delete lapho. Type uthi sex. So sometimes I kupa sex mo wena like
Mang.
yena.
Personally.
No, but because
But yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Ayimi phela.
when
Yeah.
delete lapho. Faka emoji brinjol epentries nalamanzi athi twa impophoma. Uyawazi ku my sister. So ke manga umsendela the pentries and brinjol emoji.
Nah. Just send a like. Why?
Ayimi phela.
Delete lapho. Type uthi money. Type uthi money lapho.
Oh, baby.
Ayimi phela mfethu. Yimi phela.
Delete. Type uthi money. Sibona ukuthi imali uyicela kuba. Wayithamika Facebook.
Yeah.
Delete lapho type uthi come outside. Ikinga rushukhile sister.
I got to at all.
Ayimi phela lo.
Bexis mfethu. Hello Bexis. Okay, phuma lapho. Asek Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah, now my messenger ngifuna utype uthi I love you. Mayiveza ama unread messages aswavuli. Mayithi no results ungitshele futhi. All right, type lapho uthi I love you. Next vele. Asko, kena ka re ke a o tsepa no. Tsepa. Instagram awetsa me ke yona.
Yeah, lena ke ntse tsena ko yona.
Awu cheta.
Uh-uh.
Recheck. Yeah, take your time my brother. Take your time.
Baby, take your time. Just do your thing.
Ha. Hey. Yeah.
Like seriously.
Fathong.
Do your thing, baby.
Athi yimi phela lo.
Phuma la asize la ku-Instagram ma DM. Yeah, no, it's fine. Yabo ku-M mfethu. Plus lo muntu akapost. Uzizwe njani ukuthi umuntu wakhe akacheat nje yami? Ifake ebhekini sister.
Ngijabulile.
Ujabulile ne? Ukuthi sandana nomuntu ongacheat.
Yeah.
Now ucheat angithi.
Yini? Yazi bisakho kumele siye khona.
Mphothu
Siyala
No.
emekeni phi.
awuyivule.
Why are you saying
Layibula no yana. Indaba uyithatha kaphi? Okay.
No.
Yenzake. Because
Vula.
mhlambe khona namaplan amanye wacabangayo. Vula le phone nje kahle.
Why?
No, wayibula.
Okay.
Baba, you're taking long, Baba.
Ngathi
You're taking long. Welcome Mkate lo. You're taking long, Baba. You're taking long. Ivule.
Bula.
Efethu, funa
I know
phone.
they say it's lipina gago.
How?
Come on. Oh, thank you.
Welcome ngicela umela. Okay. Short.
Share isishawa isikhathi.
Awume. Na WhatsApp. Okay. Mase ngitype uzotype la. Makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele. Akuhla lebitso le difebe tse ding. Ke tsone tseo tlamehile di tšwang ke motho wa gago. Alright guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. When you're about to type the joint, type la put I love you. Nje I mean ndaba tswa kanti uyatshola line. Khuluma nje uqiniso.
Angisukanga buti.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, type put I love you.
Uthi
Okay.
Awu understand in. Abakushayela nabethu amanye ama-cherry njengoba wena awuthi ngathi i-score kaso.
Yeah, I did.
Kuvela bani? Tlamplela go tlaga gore go tlaga mplele go tlaga mang? Wa tlaga o go tlaga mang?
Lesego.
Oh, thanda batswana.
Mkhotsi waka baby.
Umkhosi wakho. Umkhosi wakho.
Lesego.
Ke le bolela ka yena.
Ngena ku lesego, ngena tsena mo go lesego.
Ah, re tsene mo lesego. Lesego.
Jola, I love you lesego. Tsena la go muli. Tsena la go muli.
Okay.
Oh, wa lesego ba bantle so.
Baby.
Ke tsa kwena.
Oh, ke lesego.
Ekse o check lo lesego shapo kanjani?
Ngani.
Tsa kwena.
Baby, my man, baby.
No, baby.
Baby.
Umngane wakho kanjani lo mntwana? Umngane wakho kanjani umntwana onje?
Ukhule nayo
Nikhula kanje ukukhula lokho. Ukukhula.
Ke ya gago.
It's I love you wena.
Let's link ka yene.
Ke mkhotsi waka, mamele baby.
No, baby. No, baby.
Okay, umngane wakho ne? Ya ukhuluma uthi yami ngikunika ithuba.
Baby. Ke mkhotsi waka.
Okay.
Lesego go tselena.
Okay.
Ra high school.
Okay.
Together. Nene re na lo tswa re plome fela, nothing much.
Yeah.
But baby, I love you better than guy.
No, like, as a friend. Like I love you friend, like you know.
No, baby.
Are mo fonele mkhosi.
Yeah, like are mo fonele.
Are mo fonele.
Ukosolo manje.
Wow, uyamazi how do you know? How do you know?
Like
Who you to know? Wena. Hawu, sifuna ufona la ubonini.
Please,
baba.
number zakhe.
Eric.
Baby.
Ekuceke kwena. Uzokhala njalo.
No, baby, no. Today. No. You should miss get a full.
Yeah.
Baby,
No.
mamela, baby.
Imagi, awuthi yami, cela ukubuza ke mina, njengoba simfuna usamthanda my sister.
Yeah, vele ngiyamthanda yena.
Uyamthanda?
Ngisho. Umuntu wami ngisho.
Uyamthanda?
Yeah, ngiyamthanda.
Manje wayuphika ukuthi wena Jola noLesego.
Olesego angijoli.
Okay, siyamfonela ke.
Please. Just wanna know.
Hi, can I speak to Lesego? Hi Lesego. Hi. Shab, uyamazi uJunior. Do you know Junior? Oh, ukhuluma noG. So senza I truth or dare lana sino Junior. Are you and Junior dating or not?
We are.
Oh, niya date?
Yeah.
Oh, senesikhathi singakanani nithandana?
I'm sure about 2 months, 3 months.
Okay, sisi wami. Junior, nangu umngane wakho ethi niyajola.
Sijoli.
Uthani Joli? Uthani Joli?
No, agla jola.
Akujoli.
Agla jola.
And
Lesego la jola ke ene nna ke motho ga Junior.
yeah, nangu kumuntu ka Junior ke wangempela la. Asebejole for years.
Mina kadanga ngitshela ukuthi unomuntu.
Awushongo ngani ukuthi unomuntu?
Junior, how come?
How come? Uyeza ukuthi umuntu okhuluma isingisi? Uyeza?
Lesego. Ke jola lo yena nna.
Nalona kajola and ngipudise maka. Ushumini wena onale maka.
Unale maka. Uyeza ukuthi umuntu okhuluma isingisi? Yeah.
Friday.
Yeah. Yes. Izwa ke le mbuzi yakho le. Yamuzwa ke lo.
Kahle yona puti.
Shaya. Oh,
No, you have
Sister,
to stop it.
yeah.
You have to stop it.
Was-
No, you have to stop it.
Ehlisa umoya. Khuluma nalo. So nizoqhubeka wena noJuni?
Batutsamanela.
Ngisho intombazana neva.
Oh, okay.
No, Junior.
So wena sister,
Junior.
yehlisa umoya sister, calm down.
Junior.
Junior.
Uphumelele.
Netsala. Calm down. Usazoqhubeka ujole nalo?
No, Junior.
Awusamrati.
Junior,
Baby,
no.
mamela,
If you watch it, I go to hell.
Yeah.
Baby, mamela.
Ekuse baba musu cause drama la.
No.
Musu cause drama.
Baby.
Musu cause
No.
drama.
Ubona nanyana.
Oh, ufuna ukukhuluma naye? Oh, press. Ufuna ukukhuluma naye? Ungambambi. Sister, give him a chance. Press.
Uyajabula wena ubona lokho.
Press up. Wenzani? Poison welcome. Okay.
Yeah, motshware.
Poison welcome when.
Bam.
ngikupaquza.
No, wena.
Sister.
No, I don't want you anymore. I don't
Down. Mlahlele phansi welcome lo mekujwayela kabi lo. Ngiqumbuza odongeni. Asambeni. When sister was me phone yakhe welcome lo.
Baby. Baby.
Sister.
No,
Baby.
no.
Sambe. Hey. Welcome na iphone yakhe ngiyitshingela phansi. Yeah. Yeah, myeke sister. So ne sister usazoqhubeka ujole nalo njengoba umbone lo.
Jaka ke buile fale gore if wa chita no more ke mo batla.
So manje uthi ukujwayela kabi. Ukujwayela kabi sister wenza kahle. Wenza sorry nesiswami yazo. Manje uzoba nayo imali yokugibela.
No, I'm fine. It's a junior.
Utawalk.
Walk.
Yeah, ingane izowalk. Yeah. Yeah. King Ginger Cream de la Cream, twana se King Indlovu. Junior, ngwana asakubhadla. Futhi wena Junior ungangibizi ngerasta mina mfana wami, uzogcwala ngami. Take me home.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Kimangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.